Alas 3 na ako natulog kagabi. Anyways, nasa era na ako ng life. Parang, ayoko naman hira ng buhay. Para maging peaceful yung mind mo, dapat peaceful din yung heart mo. Diba? Tapos peaceful din yung paligid mo kasi wala kang sinisirang tao. Minsan we have to grow and let go of the past. Minsan kasi parang ang childish yung pag maninira ka ng buhay ng ibang tao.
Tapos buhay mo di perfect.
Yeah, walang perfect na life. So, ba't papakalaman ang buhay ng iba? Buhay mo, hindi mo magawang ayusin. Ayun. Diba? So, this 2026, magbago na tayo. Tama? Tama! Push natin itong changing for the better. I'm ready!
Oh guys, I love this brow. So good. Okay, different types of faces. Teka. Masasarap.
Ang ganda ko kasi kahit hindi ko kayang tapat. Isang thing na meron kami in common lahat na napansin ko is we have blush blindness! Oh, papak! Aray ko po. Ikaw lang ata. Pak! Blush. O, just pakita mo yung blush mo.
Pilik?
Hindi nakita namin.
Ang gano'n nga dito, friends.
Lagi na din.
How many sushi I will eat today?
I want to eat.
Para akong papraso sa loob ng Vatican.
Smile habang na-order.
Commercial.
I'm a eater.
Boosh. Pak.
Get it girl. Doon ka, side view. Magiging anino ka, yan. Doon.
I don't want sauce. It's so premium. Yeah. Daddy. I'm going to try that.
No, you did.
With the spinach?
I did a good video of this. A funny face.
Guys, we're gonna eat together. Get mine. Yeah. This. Cheers.
Are you okay? Sobrang big ng mga ano. Like yung rice, siksik. Tapos malaki din yung talyo nila. Para bukog agad.
Ano yan?
I ordered like 5 of these. Or
I'm gonna get out of this.
Yeah.
I really got that.
Philadelphia. This is my favorite.
Guys, we're gonna try the bubble.
Try it for me.
Para magkalasa. Gusto mo kalasa.
How is it? So big.
Huh?
My friend here gave up, so I'm eating this.
No, I'm never gonna give up.
Come on, bro.
Never back down again.
Never give up.
Sabi nga kanina, give up na siya.
Sa Battle of Brian. That's probably your favorite. This is so good. By the way, like, yung ibang restos, half dito ang, I don't know how to speak English.
I'm gonna speak. What do you
Okay.
need to say?
I need to say that in other restaurants, they serve half of this, and here they serve
Oh.
it.
In other restaurants, they serve half sauce. I already eat. Can I back down when I see this?
Eat it. She's a food judger. A food judgmental.
How was 9.8?
Well, give it an 8. 7.
8?
Hey. Oh, Princess Alarm. Here's the banyo.
How can this be?
Ooh, ang ganda, Jess. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Sabay na tayo. Oh my gosh, guys.
How could this be a bathroom?
Ganda ng banyo. Para kami nasa 5-star hotel. Si Mother iihi. Ay! This is your empire? Wow. Bang dapat ang kakainan namin ay yung katabing restaurant. Pero dun kami, like yung babae sa restaurant sabi niya, try nyo to. Then boom! Siya pala yung pinakamagandang restaurant, diba? Yeah. It's a blessing. Lagi talaga kami nagka-family dating sa birthday. Kasi feel namin sa buong week of stress, of hindi kami nag-uusap kasi galing work lahat. Yun lang yung araw namin mag-catch up. Diba? Nakaayaw kong part sa work ko. Ay, maghahanap ng parking. Hindi tayo nagbayad ng parking. Sinundo na ako ni Honey. Okay. Sana natin si Blazy. Let's go!